Yes, the boys, we're back with another video. You know what I mean? You already know what's going on when I show the blank garden, right? So I've just been through there to have a look at a bike. It's a Honda Vision PED 125. It's a 110 actually. I've been through to have a look at the bike, cash the gadget up, so give him the money for the bike, and he's coming to drop it off later on in the van. So I'll get straight back to the video when the bike's here, boys, alright? But here she is. I have give her a clean. Forgot to record it, honestly. But I've give her a clean. It's a 2017 Honda Vision. Now, when I was getting it out the back of the car, I've accidentally snapped the reg plate. So there's another thing I need to get. I need to tap this off. And it needs a battery to start because the battery's dead. But I'll get the battery, get the new reg plate, and I should be able to put it on for sale. It's a bit rough. Like, it's got cracks in that in here, but I mean, what PED hasn't these days, you know what I mean? It happens, there's nothing you can do. But it's kind of, it's a nice little thing, honestly. But yeah, on a cruising mission, gets up. It's got the quad lock and that on. I don't use them, me personally, like, but it's got the keys, the logbook, has MOT. Honestly, good bike. But like I said, needs a few bits, and then it'll be ready to get put on the market. I would insure it, but I am going on holiday soon, so there's no point. When I do get on holiday, I am going to hire a bike there and do a video there. So, you know what I mean, keep an eye out for that one. But obviously, that's all for this video, unfortunately. It's all we can see about this bike, really. Until I get the reg plate, the battery, you know what I mean? But aye, until then I reckon, boys. Back, boys, we're back. As you can see, the batteries came. I'm still waiting for the reg plate, but aye, the batteries came. So we're gonna tap this off, get it put on and see if she fires up, boys, right? Another thing I'd just like to say, if it sounds like I'm sniffling, it's because my nose is running and blocked at the same time. So aye. Sorry if it gets annoying. Or a problem. I need to get these off, right? But the only spanners that I've got will it fit. So I need a 10mm socket. I've got a 7mm, I've got an 8mm, but I haven't got a 10mm. So I'm gonna have to go and buy a 10mm socket. Right, we're back. I didn't go and buy a 10mm because I've just remembered. On these, with it being a 2017, the battery is behind this front panel, not in the footwell. Because usually, there's a square cut out here with 4 bolts in, and I've just remembered, I don't know how I've never noticed, but anyways, it's behind here. So I just need to tap this off, and this side off, these little screws, pull the front panel off, and the battery should be behind there. Ho ho, mush! Ho ho, bosh, there she is. Now, what I forgot was, on these bikes, the battery's only under the footwell here on the 2020 models. This is a 2017, so obviously it's in the front, I forgot. You know, even still, like, you do stuff like this all the time. And you forget. Now and again, some things will slip your mind. Is that an immobiliser? What? It's got an immobiliser on? Anyway, wait a minute. The fucking battery's not even connected, man. Jesus, hold on a minute. So there is the red here. Who on earth has done this? Now, right. I'm gonna put the camera down and have a crack at this. And hopefully we can get running. I mean, I didn't even think it'll need a new battery, but I've got one, so I'm putting it in. I've took the old battery out. Like I said, it's probably still alright, that battery, you know, but it just weren't connected. But I've bought one anyway, because he did say that it's been sat for ages, you know what I mean, so probably due a new one in anyways, so slide that in there, moosh, like that. Make sure these connectors is all there, the fucking scratch. Right, like I said, it's hard to record what I'm doing, like, with one hand, so I'm gonna put the camera down and I'll put yours back shortly. There he's gone. New batteries in. I'm not going to put the panel on yet just in case it doesn't start like so. I want to get the key. Here's a little moment of truth, boys. She's just chimed. Oh my god. Oh man, you didn't understand how happy I feel. Whoa, she's got some power. And that's not even me exaggerating it either. My god, it started straight off the button, man. So smooth. Really smooth. That's a bit rattly. Just stop that, it's quiet as a mouse. Look, no noise. Listen. It's when I let go of that, look. Oh, what a machine. Whoa. You didn't understand, man. You didn't understand, boys. Is that the light? Oh, this is the light, man. High beam, low beam. Indicators work. Oh, that was my Allen key set. It works. There really is a big ghost on it, like, but hold on. What about this one? There really is ghost on that one as well, but it fucking works. Yes. Oh, this is gonna be. Oh, look at that. Don't believe it. But honestly, listen, I'm gonna tap the air mic off. I'll put the mic here. Listen. Oh mate, you didn't actually understand how happy I am. I've had hell on trying to get the bits for this, and then it came and I thought I needed a 10mm, so I was stressed about that. And honestly, I haven't been having a good past couple of days. Like, I've been stressed. You know, you have them times though, don't you? You get down and then you get things like this that just make you smile, man. Look at that spider, it's trying to land on us. Watch this, I'll kick it straight. Hey, it's actually attached to us. I'm gonna get this panel back on. Look, she's purring, she is. What a beauty. Watch her, man. She turns off straight away, watch. She chimes up. First click. Doesn't even make a single noise. That's what's so beautiful about it. What a machine, man. I'm gonna put this panel back on, but there she is. She lives. I've fixed another one, I've hailed another one. Honestly, it's a good looking bike, truthfully. It sounds mint. Good bike. Like I say, it's got a bit cosmetic damage. Obviously the seat, and there's only this here, but that's now that, man. You know what I mean? It happens on peds. It's people get them when they first pass and they have accidents or drop them. But it's just, that's what happens. But that's the beauty of one of these, especially a Honda. You can kick this all over the place and it'll run forever. It'll run for absolutely ever. Horn works, indicators work, the engine runs. What a beauty. But thank you for watching. I know it took a couple of days. I'm still waiting for the reg plate. When that comes, I might do a little video of us riding it. I might, it depends. Because I'm going to put it on for sale after I finish this video, so it might be sold by then. Who knows? But thank you for watching. I'll see you all in the next one, boys.